Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make a cool Photoshop background for your desktop, YouTube, banner, or whatever. You can change the size of the image later if you really want to. So, what we're going to do is we're going to open up Photoshop. And so what we're going to do first, trial version, I know, I'm a scrub. So file version, so we're going to go to File, go to New, name whatever you want. I'm just going to do example background. Sorry, I'm typing this with one hand. So 2560, 1440, 72 pixels per inch, white background because you want to place stuff and for it to look nice. So you want to create that. So you have a white background here. You can't do much. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna place, and I already have an image from Justin Maller, who's a really cool guy, by the way. Go check out his website. He makes awesome backgrounds. And here's one of his backgrounds right here. So eventually I'm going to render this out and it'll look a lot better than it does right now. But for right now, it'll be like this and you can't do anything. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit this check mark so you can do stuff. So here, I'm just going to do an example for text. Okay, here, Synergy. The font, by the way, is Toxico, and it got it from defont.com. So, yeah, check that out if you want to, too. It's my main font. So yeah. Now, so it looks okay right now. We can make it look even better by going into the text editing options. So what we're gonna do is go into Synergy, which is the text right here, blending options, and just for fun, I'm gonna do a bevel. So 200 is usually what I like to do. So 200, perfect. Bevel is done. Gradient overlay is next. So here I'll do a okay gradient overlay. Yeah, choose a random color, that one. Okay. And now choose the other color over here by double clicking, like the first one. And you can choose one on here, like red, or you can click on your image and find one. That actually looks pretty sick, but I'm gonna do something over here. Right here. Let's try that. Yeah, that looks nice. So I like that. And if you want your scale to be 150, it'll make it the image more full, as you can see. So that's more red and blue. This is more blended in between. So okay. So oh no, you can't get that same effect on the other text without having to do a lot of time trying to get the settings just right. No need to fear, because you can just copy it right here. Copy layer style. Right click on Synergy, copy layer style. Right click on this one that's not cool and effect filled, and paste layer style. So that is all complete. So let's just use this for our base, and you can place some more images if you want to, but I'm not going to do that. And now next, what you're going to want to do, if you want to export it, so you're going to go to export and render. So this is going to render it. This is going to make it look nice and smooth and good. So render video is basically just rendering your picture. Doesn't matter. Don't be worried. So 1440. Don't know why that's 39. 1440. So document size, perfect. 1 out of 1 frames. So you don't do 299 frames or 0 out of 0. So no frames. Just 1 out of 1. One picture is going to be exported. So 30 FPS. That doesn't matter since we don't have a video on here. I don't know why you would. That's what we have Sony Vegas for, people. Example background. So select your destination folder, and what you're going to do here is you're going to select the folder that you want it to be exported to. And I have it in my saved pictures because that's the folder that I have set to go on the slideshow for my desktop backgrounds, as you'll see in a little bit after I render this. And you can create a new subfolder if you need to. And then file options, PNG is honestly your best bet since it's so adaptable, and it is a lot better quality than JPEG, which is right here. So PNG, and you can do a lot of stuff with it, as I said before. And 2560, 1440 settings are all good. Render. So it'll take a little bit depending on which computer you have or what hardware do you have. And yeah, mine is gonna take pretty quick. Not a lot of time. I mean, sorry, I'm really tired. But yeah, after that, you're gonna wanna minimize Photoshop. And here you go. It's in my saved pictures. So this actually might be my other one I made. Yeah, here we go. Here's the one that we just made. And so I'll show you a couple more I made. So I think these look pretty good for about 20 minutes of effort each. So this is my most prominent one right here. I took a little bit of time on this one. And this is my YouTube background right here, as you can see on my page. Yeah, and a couple more just for fun, so it's a little more variation. Don't want the same background all the time, you know what I mean? Gets boring. So yeah, and this is the one you saw at the start. So yeah, I think that'll about do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I mean, I can't thank you enough. I mean, it makes me happy, makes everyone else happy. I'll see y'all later in the next one. Bye.